better than takeout, you're gonna love my chow mein recipe. In a bowl, combine oyster sauce, soy sauce, sesame oil, rice vinegar, cornstarch, brown sugar, and chili sauce. Prep the veggies. We're gonna thinly slice the cabbage, bean sprouts, diced celery, the white and green part of the green onions, carrots, ginger, and garlic. Grab pre-cooked stir-fried noodles and ditch the sauce. Season the diced chicken with salt and pepper and heat your wok with a little bit of oil. Then stir-fry the chicken till it's fully cooked and remove it to a plate. Add a little more oil. We're gonna stir-fry the cabbage, carrots, celery, and the white part of the green onion. Let this go for about 2 minutes before adding in the ginger and garlic. Another 30 seconds, then remove it to the platter with the chicken. Add a touch more oil and add in those cooked noodles. Stir fry for a minute or so before adding in the sauce. Fully coat the noodles and add the chicken and veggies back to the pan. Toss in the bean sprouts and coat everything completely in that sauce. Serve topped with green onion. Dinner done in 30 minutes and you're gonna love it.